Hello, this is Cindy Shelton, your teacher for your online course, and I just thought I would go through kind of a reminder of some of the things we talked about at the beginning of the semester and just check in with you. So I'm going to talk to you about your applied math class and remind you that when you click on your Blackboard course, there are announcements over here, and so I see like not everyone is seeing those. At the beginning, it looks like everybody did, but not everybody's seen all the postings. I try to send those in emails as well, but just every once in a while, check your announcements. Also, Blackboard Collaborate. Anytime you want to join me in the course room, this is all you do. Just hit join the course room. You need to tell me to be there, and I can tutor you. If you have questions on your homework, this is a good place for us to meet. It defaults to where you are muted and I can't see you. You can unmute so we can talk. But anyway, that's a place where we can work together on tutoring. So that's how I can tutor you. Sorry about that. Okay, let me get back out of that. All right. Then the other thing I wanted to remind you about was how to see your grades. I've been getting that question a lot, like how do you see your grades? So in your My Lab Math link, one thing, you can go to all your assignments right there. So every assignment is linked within that. Let's look at that. Oh, because I'm getting a question about due dates as well. And so when you click there, along the left-hand side, you can see due dates. So all of your assignments for the entire semester are linked there. So you'll be able to see that and so on. Okay, so I wanted to see that. But then the other thing I wanted to show you was the textbook is there, and then the gradebook. So you're always able to look at your grades. Now, this is my default one, so I haven't done any work in the course, but hopefully you'll have a much better grade there. You can look at your overall percentage, and it also breaks it down in categories to how you're doing in your homework, quizzes, and your tests. So always know you can go in and look at your grade at any point. So I'm thinking maybe if you've had those questions, maybe it's because you're doing this other, which is really wonderful thing, which is going through the modules. You're clicking in the modules, which I love that because that means you're watching the videos, you're seeing what the goals and objectives are for the module. Then you're clicking on the videos, and hopefully you're watching the lecture videos. You're opening the document like 6.1. You would open that file, maybe print that off, or just follow along on your computer. And then my lecture goes along with these files. So you can print off or open up these files and then watch the video lectures that go along with that. Also, there's some solutions worked out, sample problems for your homework, and I can add more if you just request that. If you say I'm having trouble with graphing, question number 5, then I can do that. I had a question about, let's see, something the other day, question number 8. So I have a video in there about that. And then some other just extra videos from review sessions. So lots and lots of videos, probably more than you want to see. But so that's where I want you to start anytime we're starting a new module. Then this is why I think I'm getting the question about when the due dates are. Because if you're going through the module view, which again I recommend, when you click on 6.1, it just takes you directly to the 6.1 homework. And it does have the due date, but it's not as obvious. Maybe the due date is listed in that, and then you start doing the homework, so then you go through the homework series. So those are direct links to the homework, more conducive to how a class would flow. You watch the videos, attend lecture, then you do each of the homework assignments, and so on. And then we continue through the semester that way. So anyway, that's just a few reminders, some questions that I've got at this point. So I hope that helps, and always feel free to reach out to me. Send me an email or give me a call if you have further questions. Best wishes.